So, it has been a little while since I've put a video out, and I really do apologize about that, but there's a couple things I just need to explain really quickly, just so you're not left in the dark like I have been leaving you, and again, I apologize for that. So, first of all, there's really nothing for me to film right now, and that's been a big problem with me being able to make content and making videos and trying to build my channel like I've wanted to for the last forever. But with my G being in pieces, as you can see there's parts behind me and they're scattered across this entire table. With my G being in pieces, with the Lancer, really nothing's happening. It's not winter. I don't want to do anything with it. I don't have the money for it because there's a lot of things going on right now that I don't have the disposable income to build a car that I don't know how long it's going to last for, just for laughs pretty much. But there's really nothing going on. None of my friends are building their cars right now because the heat that the cops have right now on the entire car community is just insane. I live in Canada, I live in Ontario, and I'm only a couple hours away from Toronto, which right now they have the Project Noisemaker going on in York and downtown and all of that. They have Project Noisemaker, which is a police project, I guess, to pretty much ban modified cars as much as they can. They're stopping people that have loud exhausts, cars too low, car doesn't fit standards that they don't like. It's a lot of weird issues. So with Project Noisemaker going on, it's been really hard for the entire car scene in Ontario to actually continue like doing what we love to do, because there's just been so much heat on top of everyone. Several people I know have sold their builds, sold their cars, sold what they've spent money, time, and effort into just because they can't handle dealing with the tickets or any of the stoppings that police have been regularly doing. People have been selling their builds just to get another daily driver, something that they're either not going to mod or mod very slightly so it's still within reason. But I think that's horrible. And for me to try and push that on any of my friends, to ask them to build their cars just for YouTube, or for me to build my Lancer, which I don't know how long it's going to last considering there's almost 300,000 kilometers on it and I've been driving an hour and back to work every day. It's just, there's not much for me to film right now. Car shows have been super slow. There's been, compared to last year, there's been pretty much nothing around the regular shows I go to. And the other ones, I'm working too much to actually make the trip out and film there. But it's been a really weird year for cars. I got in the accident in May. It's now August and I still have pretty much made no progress. I'll show you all the parts and what I have right now, and I'll walk you through all that later in this video. So I just wanted to explain what everything was going on. It's just been a lot. I've had stuff to do personally. I've had a lot of work stuff going on. It's a lot to deal with YouTube, and honestly, as much as I want it to be my first priority, I can't make it at the moment. But I'm going to try and make regular content again for you guys. If you want to go follow my TikTok, my Instagram, I'm going to try and make a lot more content there, as that's easy to make, and it's easier, faster content I can push out for you guys. I'm still going to try and put a little bit of quality into it, of course, but it's more than what you'd be getting right now from here. But now I'm going to show you the parts that I got and pretty much explain what we're waiting on and what the delay is. Hopefully it'll be done soon. My car is going to be going to the body shop as soon as possible. We're just figuring out how to get a trailer and how to get my car there. The trailer we rented last time won't really work because I can't start my car because it has no cooling system on it whatsoever, and I don't want to damage anything more. I could, if absolutely need be, I could start it for a couple minutes, but I think I'm close to figuring something out that'll work. So just bear with me another couple weeks, hopefully. But let's go show you the parts and just see what we have, and I can show you what we're waiting on and go from there. So I guess we'll go right to left. This is the styrofoam bump, or styrofoam protectant for under the bumper, the crash bar, whatever you want to call it, like the crash absorbent, whatever. In here we have a lot of little plastic trim parts that I got just to make my car look close to factory again. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand, but I got a ton of these little ones that just have to go back into place just to make it look nicer, and so a lot of them do have functions, like this is the headlight bracket, but there's a lot of these little boxes that are everywhere. Stuff like this, which is another little bumper stiffener. Stuff like this, just there's a ton of it. I got more of the headlight brackets. This is the plastic trim, the molding that goes over top of the hood latch and stuff, just to cover all the rad. Packing slips, I made sure that everything was here from these two companies. I got one more company coming in. Rock Auto did come in clutch, and Infinity Discount Parts did come in clutch as well. They both sent me everything, and it only took like a week and a bit, if that, to come in, which was pretty happy, or I was pretty happy about. I got air ducts for the left side. I got more brackets because they had to come from two different spots. I had the black one over there, and then I had this one, the hood hinge, sorry. I got hood supports. Again, just a ton of little things. I don't know how much you care about actually knowing about all this, but I may as well show you since we're here. Little hood lock. I don't even know what's in this one. I don't know, let's open it and find out. No time like the present, right? Especially on video. Probably shouldn't mangle the box if I ever needed to return anything. I'm kind of screwed after. Oh, it's the actual hood latch itself. Perfect. So we got the hood latch, got weather stripping. Box comes with, I believe there's quite a few things in this box, but all in all, it's just more hood lock stuff. Yeah, hood brackets, whatnot. And we have my reservoir for my coolant, and then we have my fender, my huge ass fender right there. That's pretty much all the small stuff. We have I accidentally bought 2 fan shrouds, so I'm gonna have to replace one of them. I don't know which one's which, but one of them is the right one. One of them is a different version, which doesn't come with the ECU and stuff like that that's attached to it. Down here, we have my actual rad. Need that for the cooling. And then we have my rad support, which is back here. So this big box is pretty much the lifeline of the entire front end. These two are going to be, one of them is going to be returned. I got to figure out which one. And the rad. That's pretty much it. This is all the current parts and stuff that I have at the moment. There's one more thing out in the garage because it was too big to get down here, but I'll show you a sneak peek because I haven't even opened it up yet and I really want to see. It is so humid, my lens fogged up. Sorry if that happens again, I might have to stop it. But so I got some random stuff on this table. You don't have to worry about it. Box that came in. I'm rebuilding the washer, my pressure washer. So that's there. But luckily, the hood came in a couple days, or the bumper came in a couple days ago. It is a month and a bit early, which I'm pretty amped about. Oh, my lens is fogging up again. So my bumper was supposed to be coming in October, if I'm not mistaken, September, October, but I messaged the company that was going to be sending it out, and they said it's going to take another little while, like it's going to be here in October, blah, blah, blah. And a day later, I got a call from an hour and a half away from a shipping company being like, hey, it's here, what day would you like it delivered? So I picked it, and the company still doesn't believe that it's delivered. I even told them, hey, the bumper came in today, and they went, no, it hasn't, don't worry about it. So we'll see what happens from there. But the bumper's here. I'm super excited to see it. I will put up a picture of what it's supposed to look like. I haven't opened it up yet. It's been just a lot. It's been sitting here for 5 days now. So I'll put a picture up on the screen right here, and you can see exactly what it looks like. So there is only a couple things left. All I'm missing is my hood, which should be here in October as well, but hopefully it comes in early like the rest of it. And my headlights, which should be here this month at some point, if I'm not mistaken, if not next month. But again, hopefully they come in early, just like my bumper did, and that'd be perfect. Then I can get my car back on the road this season. Oh, and the hood pins. Almost forgot about those. The hood pins are coming because the hood's aftermarket, and I don't want it to blow up on the highway or whatever. So, hood pins, hood, headlights. That's it left, and then we can get the car back on the road. I just have to take it to the body shop, which I'll be doing once I get the notification that everything will be shipping. So, until that happens, I guess that's pretty much it for the update. If there's anything else you guys want to know, please ask questions in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them. I do answer them as frequently as possible, and that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, because it does help me in the channel out a lot. If you want to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe, as again, it does help me in the channel out a lot. And that's gonna be it. Thanks guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.